Wait. I have to go home now, and something tells me I should make another yappy video. So, because I'm chewing gum, and I gotta make another yappy video, I'm basically saying if you like my channel, click the button on the bottom and go subscribe. The little ringy bell, don't bother, because you probably get enough freaking notifications from every goddamn thing on the internet telling you to go that something's there. So just come by once in a while and check out my channel. And if you like it, you like it. I don't expect that everybody like every video, but I see some videos I'm not even remotely interested in some people's channels, and I'm like, sit there glued to them. Like, it's pretty neat. Like, I don't know much about cars, but I'm always watching these car channels. They do some pretty cool stuff, engine work. Like, I don't know whose channel it was, but they were turning 4-door 57 Chevys into 2-doors. I'm like, is that really a thing? But apparently it is. You can fake a 2-door 57 Chevy pretty good. Apparently all the parts exist. So it's stuff like that. I didn't know. The other day I was watching, I bought that machine there, candy dropper. I was watching a guy make candies. I was like, hey, live in a world you can learn all kinds of shit. It's not just full of bad stuff that might cause people to drop dead and, use horse medications or some shit. There's a lot of things you can learn online that you don't need a fucking PhD to know anything about. I mean, because, hey, you're allowed to learn whatever you want. And you can be an expert in something and not have a fucking paper from some fucking place that says you're not an expert. So, next time somebody says you need a fucking PhD to be an expert or something, fuck them. Because not everybody in the world has a PhD in things. But they are very knowledgeable. All that means you got a piece of paper from somewhere. That's it. High school diploma. Like the only people in the world with high school diplomas and don't have a high school diploma that know tons of shit. A lot of people. So to all you people that are fucking top, bottom, middle, whatever, doing all kinds of stuff, I salute you because you're doing all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, join my channel and I'll stop ranting and bullshitting about shit. Also, I should probably cut this in that like, subscribe, check out the folks below, and thanks for joining.